Hello, carpet cleaning world. And tonight, once again, we have our most famous and popular guest, Matt Bryan, from the phenomenal HouseCall Pro. Now, we're not going to keep you too long tonight because we know you got to go outside and hand out candy. And let's be honest, a lot of you putting costumes on and probably going trick or treating yourself. You need to stop and realize you're a grown up carpet cleaner. But we're not going to get into all that, right?
Not right now, not right now. Well, I appreciate the introduction, Roger. It's great every time. Thank you for having me back.
Yes. Hey, Matt, we're going to keep it brief tonight. We're just going to tell the guys how they can use both of us to really automate their business. Now, in the last couple weeks, we launched our newest service to the carpet cleaning industry, which is lead generation. And why I asked you to come in, because they don't understand if they use us to get the leads, but see, not just any leads. See, we set up a carpet inspection for you. They have to fill out a form and give all their information. And then we call them, set them up. Hopefully they're using HouseCall Pro, but if not, they soon will be. We'll use their Google Calendar or whatever until we get them going with HouseCall Pro. And by the way, 95% of RLMA clients of the carpet cleaning industry are using HouseCall Pro. So if you guys aren't using them, you really need to try and get it out there. Matt's going to put up a link to where you can try HouseCall Pro and receive 30% off. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain about the greatest CRM for the carpet cleaning industry. But that's another story for that, but you guys need to do that. So I wanted to say, and then I'm gonna let Matt talk about HouseCall Pro. With RLMA, now we will target through Facebook your area. I suggest if you're a mom and pop operation, no more than 15 to 20 miles around your location, but we'll do whatever you want. And then what we're going to do is we're not going to just boost a post where it says, look how great our carpet cleaning is, give us a call. We're going to put a lead generation ad out there that's going to ask them to, if they would like a free carpet inspection, where you'll come out and evaluate their carpet, and then they'll receive $25 off of carpet cleaning and $15 off of upholstery cleaning should they use your service. So we've been testing this, and we've been surprised at how many leads we're getting. These people have to give us their name, address, phone number, everything, email address. They're technically giving us their life. So what I'm saying to you, if someone will do that, then you understand they are interested in your service. So not only that, we will call them for you, set the appointment up, and after that, they're all yours. And then this is where, Matt, will you tell them where HouseCall Pro can come in after they become a client?
Yep, exactly. HouseCall Pro is all about automation. Once that lead turns into a customer, it's your job to automate the entire process, not just from only scheduling the job, but sending your customer that scheduled job text message. When you're on your way, the customer receives a text message, and then making the process seamless end to end, from scheduling the job to doing the job, even after sending that customer that e-invoice in the email, so they have the ability to pay online, organize everything, cut paper out of the equation.
And you're leaving one. Oh, Matt. Yeah, okay. Matt, you're leaving one important thing out that I hate to step on your toes, but you're leaving one important thing out that HouseCall Pro offers that is essential to keeping your clients and keeping you in their minds, and so they'll remember you and keep you. Go ahead.
I mean, it's all about the remarketing. What better way than to send your customers emails on a drip, right? That's it. Emails and postcards. So you can automate this entire progress. From once that job is finished, you can send a customer an email every month, every 2 months. You want to make sure that cadence is separated, so you're touching them the correct amount of time. 7 to 10 touches through 12 months is the right amount of touches to interact with your customer, to win them over, right?
Right. And see, the other thing is, being a carpet cleaner of 29 years, any veteran carpet cleaner will tell you that you want to keep your clients, like Matt just said, on an email system, so they keep conscious of you. Every carpet cleaner that's been around for a while knows it's not the new clients that makes his business, it's all the repeat clients. And with HouseCall Pro, you're going to keep them, and they're going to keep repeating because you're going to send them emails. Hey, it's Thanksgiving. It's time to get your carpets clean. Hey, it's Halloween. We're running a Halloween special. Hey, it's been 6 months. We need to clean your carpet. You can do all of that through HouseCall Pro. And don't forget, I have a 12-month retention program that, does all this for you. All you have to do is call us. We'll set the emails in your HouseCall Pro. Remember, our girl Janae Riley is trained by Andrea of HouseCall Pro, so she knows it like she works there. So she can set it up for you, so you're automated with HouseCall Pro, and it does it all for you.
And it's really easy. It's way less expensive to market to your existing customer than it is go out and acquire another one. And if you wine and dine, per se, your existing customers and, touch them 7 to 10 times via email or postcard through the entire course of a year, guess what? They're going to become an evangelist, a customer that not only is a champion for you, but will tell each and every one of their friends to hire you. So that's an indirect acquisition of a customer, and you're not paying for an acquisition of that customer.
That's exactly right.
Yeah. That's what it's all about.
So now, ladies and gentlemen of the carpet cleaning industry, it's never been as easy as this. All you have to do, if you want clients, if you want the right clients, we will set up the marketing for you for your area, 15 or 20 miles around you. Do you know how nice it is to only have to drive 15 to a half an hour to get to each job in any direction? And then these become repeat clients. And then you get to train them, because you're going to do a carpet inspection. You get to train them in the right ways of carpet cleaning. Remember, they gave you all their information because they really are seeking someone that's good and knows what they're doing. So then after they convert into a client, then you blow their mind with the HouseCall Pro CRM. Because if you follow any of my marketing strategies in HouseCall Pro, Sam Robinson, when he was on here, showed you how I have my prices set up through square footage, and it breaks it down with each package. They love that. All of that is HouseCall Pro. So if you tell someone that I'm going to charge you 55 cents a square foot, and then in 8 itemized sentences, it breaks down what they're getting for that 55 cents. I guarantee you, none of your competitors are doing this. And then through HouseCall Pro, when they get their invoice, it's all itemized out, and then it has the total underneath. So where other guys are giving them a 1-page invoice, you're giving them maybe a 2 or 3-page invoice that helps them understand why they're paying $600 to $700 possibly for that cleaning.
Exactly. And I don't even know if you know this, Roger. I've got a little nugget. HouseCall Pro just released an amazing feature. So we just released service maintenance agreements. Okay, so you can set your customers up through HouseCall Pro on a maintenance agreements where you can visit their house, once a month, once every 3 months, And your customers can put their credit card on file, so it automatically bills them, whether it's an upfront or each visit or monthly. So you have that recurring revenue. Like, everyone pays a subscription. I have a subscription to Spotify, I have a subscription to Netflix. Why should we treat this any different with your services, right? You could get this residual income coming in on a monthly basis, and not only are you getting income coming in from your customers, but it's making that customer way more sticky. That customer, that's the best kind of retention. They're never going to leave you. And you're coming out to their house at the cadence you want.
That's perfect. You might have forgot, I'm the guy for the carpet cleaning industry that has the residential maintenance program. So that's going to work perfect. That's going to work perfect. I just haven't got in. I got to talk to Janae and see how all that fits in so we can come back on here. That's the answer right there, residual income. There's nothing else to really talk about. If once you can put them on autopilot, now you're making money and you're running a real business.
Exactly. Work on your business, not in your business.
Bam. So Matt, did you put up the link yet so they could get the discount? I think he might have froze for a second there. He normally comes right back. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I said we weren't going to hold you up on this Halloween, but ladies and gentlemen, while Matt is getting unfrozen here, I want to make sure you understand that if you need leads, if you need the right type of customers, it all starts by what you put out there. You must not be nervous and afraid or think it's not good business to go sit in someone's house for 20 minutes or so and give them a carpet inspection. Every time you do that, you will come out with a higher job ticket. Every time. So then after that, you want to make sure you have HouseCall Pro so you can show your customer how professional and how organized your business really is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Matt bailed out here. I know he was having a couple technical problems, but I want to thank you, and I want you to make sure you give us a call at 484-420-7220. And then I want you to make sure that you call HouseCall Pro or download the link so you can get your 30% off. You owe it to yourself to automate your business. This is Roger Lloyd from the carpet cleaning world. And tune in tomorrow night when Janae Riley from RLMA, and she tells you all the wonderful things that RLMA can do for you. Remember, you want to clean. You want to purchase new equipment. Hey, there he is.
Sorry about that. My computer just decided to want to shut off at the most inopportune time.
No problem. I was holding it down till you came back.
I came back. Yeah, so like I was saying, the goal is to turn a regular customer into an evangelist, the customer that keeps coming back, that's going to tell everyone out there. And that's what you have to do, is touch them 7 to 10 times via email, via postcard, via text message throughout the entire course of the year, and set up these recurring maintenance agreements where you are cashing in on a monthly or bi-monthly or quarterly basis, whatever it may be. So you're not having customers walk away. They're going to be with you for the lifetime of your company.
Right, especially those customers that have pets. They really need that reoccurring service more so than you can ever imagine.
I mean, it's true. I got my dog sitting right here under my desk. Believe me, I need my carpets cleaned.
I know a good guy out there.
Yeah. So do I. Yeah.
Oh,
well, I appreciate you having me come on. I think I popped the link in there.
Yep.
HouseCallPro.com HouseCallPro.com/carpet cleaning world. You have the ability, if you are interested, sign up for a web demo. You get up to 30% off depending on the plan and length of that plan you decide to go with. But feel free. I mean, PM me. Sam Robinson's one of our good sales guys. You got Roland here. He's coming in.
Hey.
I'm going. Hey, Roger. I'm enjoying some apple pie. Hope you have a good Halloween. Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
Yeah, but anyway, awesome. Reach out to me, reach out to Sam. We're happy to help answer any questions. I know Janae had popped in there to give her a call, talk about the maintenance agreements, all that good stuff.
Right.
It launches tomorrow.
I'm definitely going to get on that.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right. Hey, Matt, I'm going to let you go. Enjoy your Halloween. And Carpet Cleaning World, thank you for listening to Matt night and night, or if you listen to us tomorrow, whenever. We're here for you. HouseCall Pro, RLMA, for the carpet cleaning industry. You have no excuse. You have none.
None.
All right, Matt. Yeah. Thanks again, buddy.
Thank you. Be safe tonight. Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, bye.